Hello people, how are you? Welcome to our first virtual class. As you know, we are going to work in this way at least for 2 weeks, okay? Well, the idea is that everybody at home do the activities that I propose for these 2 weeks, okay? Well, as I told you last week, this week we are going to start working with a book. So the ones who already have the book, please go to page 4. The ones who do not have the book, no problem, because I uploaded the material in the Google Classroom, okay? So look for the material there. Well, go to page 4. As you can see, there is a set of pictures there. Look at them, please. Can you imagine the situation? Who are they? What are they doing? Okay. Well, what you have to do now is this. Listen and number the pictures in the way you order them, okay? So please don't read the dialogue yet, okay? Just listen and number from 1 to 4. The material, the track to listen is in the in the Google Classroom. It is track 1.2. All the material that you are going to use is uploaded there, okay? So listen and number the pictures. When you finish that, in that moment, you are going to do activity B. Listen and complete the gaps. Now you read the dialogue and complete the gaps with the missing words, okay? Then when you do that, you have to do activity C. Complete the gaps with a word from the list. You have kind of a box there with 5 words, and below you have 5 words or phrases. What you have to do is to place the words from the box in next to the right word or phrase below, okay? They are like synonyms. They are like keywords, let's say. And then when you finish that, you have to listen. In this occasion it is another track 1.3. You have to listen it and repeat some phrases from the dialogue, just some phrases, okay? Well, the idea is that you practice pronunciation and copying the rhythm that the people in the track have, okay? Well, when you finish this part, you have to go to the following page 5. So you will find this. It says grammar, verb be, subject, pronouns. You have to complete the sentences there with are, is, or am, okay? So I'm Mike. Mike. My name's Hannah. My name Hannah. You're early. You early. It's 789413245 It 789413245 Okay? Well, before continuing, I want you to make a kind of revision, a quick revision of verb to be. Okay? So, the verb to be in present simple has 3 forms: am, is, and are, okay? Am is used just with the pronoun I, okay? Is used with he, she, or it, or derivates, for example, Susanna, the cat, my mother, okay? And are is used with we, you, and they, okay? Or for example, the students, the teachers, etc. Yeah? Well, the verb to be is used to express, for example, who. I am Daniela. He is Adam. She is Anna. Okay? It is a dog. You are Emily. Okay? It is also used to express what. For example, I am a teacher. He is a pilot. She is a vet. We are engineers. They are doctors. Okay? It is also used to express how. For example, I am beautiful. He is happy. She is young. You are important. And it is also used to express where. For example, I am in the classroom. He is at the park. She is from Paris. We are on the table. Well, now go to the grammar bank part, that is the blue part from the book, you know. It is page 124, and read the information that you have there. So the verb to be, in the verb to be, you always use a subject pronoun with a verb. For example, it's a school. You cannot say is a school. You need the subject pronoun. Always use capital letter for I, even when you are not starting the sentence. For example, he is Mike and I am Sally, with I, with a capital I. Okay? With the other pronouns, you only use capital letters when you start the sentence. Okay? Well, you have to, the number is singular or plural. Okay? You have to in for that according to the context. And we use he for a man, she for a woman, and it for a thing. That is the third person. And they for people, but also for things. Okay? Then you have contractions. In contractions, you use an apostrophe that expresses that a letter or some letters are missing. Okay? For example, you can say I am, that is the full form, or you can say I'm, that is the short or contracted form. We use contractions in conversation and in informal writing. For example, an email to a friend, or well, WhatsApp group. So when you finish reading that, go to the following page, page 125, and you have to do part 1A, activities A, B, and C. In activity B, you have to complete the sentences there using am, is, or are. Okay? When you finish that, you have to write the sentences with contractions in activity B. So you have the full form there, you have to write the short form. And then in activity C, you have to write the sentences with a subject pronoun and a contraction. Okay? So, for example, you have in the example, Mike and Hannah are students, so they are students. Okay? John is in room 5. In room 5. Okay? Well, that is what you have to do from the grammar bank part. Then I uploaded also a practice worksheet to practice more verb to be. So you have 4 activities there. In the first activity, you have to write write the correct personal pronoun, okay, in each sentence. Then in activity 2, you have to write the correct form of the verb to be. That is to say, am, is, or are. In activity 3, you have to rewrite the sentences in 2, but using contractions, okay, the short forms. And in activity 4, you have to rewrite the sentences with the subject pronoun and a contraction. So that is very similar to activity C from the grammar bank part, okay. When you finish the grammar part, you have to go back to page 5, okay. Go back to page 5 and let's do the vocabulary part. Yes, so you have to look at this picture. Can you remember what Mike and Hannah say in that picture? Okay, well, now what you have to do is to go to the vocabulary bank part, that is to say the green part of the book, and you have to do that is in page 148, okay. You have to go there and you will find this activity, part 1, days of the week. Complete the days of the week with the letters, okay. You have the initial letters of this of the different days, so you have to complete them. When you finish that, you are going to listen and check, okay. Then you have some useful phrases there, okay. For example, the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. A weekday is any day from Monday to Friday. Then when you ask, for example, what day is it today? It's Friday. Have a good weekend. You too. See you Monday. Okay? And something important is that days of the week begin with a capital letter always. Okay? Well, when you finish this part of the vocabulary bank, you have to go to do the quiz that is in the Google Classroom, okay. So do the quiz.